And the reason I'm making this video before I even unpackage it is because when I rattle it, you can tell that it's broken inside. And this particular order was a 1960 Model 315 Eico signal generator, and I knew it had a glass face on it. And this package probably weighs 15 or 20 pounds, I would say. I don't think it says on there. But anyway, we're going to open it up and see what condition it's in. The only obvious damage I see on the package is on this end right here, the hole there. But based on the weight of this, I think that this package would have been received in good shape had it been wrapped like this, exactly like it is without opening it yet, and then that being placed into a box bigger than it with packing around it. So in my opinion, this was not packaged properly. And I've ordered a lot of devices, as can be seen on my wall here, that over the years I've accumulated because I restore electronics on my YouTube website. And that was what the hope for this was. But let's take a look and see what we get when I open it. If the glass is broken, that basically will not be attainable to my knowledge. If anything else is broken, about the only way you'd be able to get the glass would be able to buy another unit for parts, possibly. Because of the weight, this was not a cheap package to ship anyway. I think I paid $20-some to ship it. So it's a real shame that it wasn't packaged in a box with proper packing. As can be seen, I see that the shipper did wrap it in bubble wrap, which is why I say had this particular package been placed into a box with packing around it to keep it from moving and to prevent anything from penetrating, it probably would have arrived okay. But since this was not in a box, I fear that this old vintage electronic is not going to be salvageable. To the shipper, I'm impressed with the amount of bubble wrap you actually put on it. But again, when you have a glass front, you have to have more than that baggie that you ship with, or it's going to get broke. Because the people at UPS or USPS could care less if you wrote fragile on the package. And unfortunately, you're welcome, sir. I'm sure you meant to get it here in good shape, but from the sounds of it, it don't sound like it did. Let me see if I can get this portion of the wrapping off underneath there. Make sure we're still on camera here, and we are. Yep. That's what I figured. Zoom in a little bit here. So the dial's all bent from the glass coming out, but as can be seen here, the glass is all shattered. This particular glass has a mark on here that is supposed to line up, and obviously that can't be made. It obviously also is made with a curvature in it that I doubt seriously I can get a glass cover to make. It did scar the screen up as well as dent it right there. It doesn't appear that the knobs are broken. So, unfortunately, this old girl is not going to make for a very good restoration without the glass. I may be able to get a glass made local, I don't know. Faceplate's also dented. I think what has happened, if I had to guess, just, oh, that's cracked too, that's broken right there. There's a crack right there. So I can zoom in more on that. That is a crack. That's literally broken right there. And that is a big dent right here. And that's why that shadow is there. If I can cock that up where it can be seen better. There's a high spot right here. Not over on the other side, only over here. So my guess is when this hit wherever it happened, whatever it hit here hard enough. Probably, my guess is the USPS people, somebody dropped it. And when they dropped it, it landed on its face and impacted right here for it to dent that in right there and break the glass and break that housing. So I'm going to be contacting the shipper and giving him a link for this video and see what he wants to do. I haven't taken it apart to see if any of the tubes are broken inside. My guess is it could have a broken tube inside as well from that impact. So any unforeseen damage could still be in there. I'm not going to take it apart any further though until I have a response back.